Today, I bring you the best and smartest kids you will ever see, without a doubt. Let's go.
When you get scared at night, where do you go to sleep?
In Daddy's room.
Ooh, so Daddy is the brave one?
No, he snores very loud and scares the monsters away.
What's the hardest part about being a baby?
People keep picking me up without asking. Consent, people. I got boundaries. Yes, personal space.
What's the funniest thing your teacher has ever said?
She told us that she has eyes in the back of her head.
And do you believe her?
Yes, but I still do silly dances behind her chair. Quick question, sir.
What is the question?
Cow produces milk, bee produces honey, women produce babies.
Correct. Then what is the question?
What do men produce?
So tell me about your mother. What's she like when she's working from home?
My mama is very professional. She works from home, and when clients call, she answers very professional, but there is something you need to know.
Are you happy to have a new baby brother at home?
No, not at all. You took my spot. You take him. We don't want him. I am enough for them.
When you get scared at night, where do you go to sleep?
In Daddy's room.
Oh, so Daddy's the brave one?
No, he snores very loud and scares the monsters away.
Does your teacher ever get grumpy in class?
Only when she sees my handwriting, then she starts breathing like a dragon.
Maybe she just wants you to practice more.
No, I think she just needs a long nap and a different job.
Who are you more scared of?
Mom.
You're not scared of Dad?
No, Dad is actually scared of Mom.
What's the scariest thing you've seen at home?
Mommy in the morning before her sleepy juice.
Oh, no! What does she look like?
Like a potato.
I heard your grandma's here today. Is that exciting?
Yes, my grandma.
How old is your grandma?
50. 60.
60? That's so many!
Maybe you should ask her.
Okay.
Tell me, do you have a boyfriend?
I got 3.
3? Why do you need all that?
Well, if one takes my lunchbox, I still got 2 more.
Does your dad ever take you somewhere special?
Daddy take me to garage. We eat cookies. He say secret mission. He say be a man. Don't tell mommy.
Who make the most drama at home?
Mommy.
Really? Why?
She says she's fine, but then the whole house is not fine. Daddy's the king of our house.
The king?
Yes.
So he makes all the rules.
No, he has to listen to the queen.
And who is queen?
My mommy. She decides everything.
Who gives you the best kisses?
Kisses? Grandma. Grandma kisses soft.
That's the sweetest thing I've ever heard.
Don't talk to me.
Why are you mad, sweetheart?
Because Daddy said no.
No to what, honey?
Don't remember. I'm still mad!
Hey, cutie, do you have a little boyfriend?
Nope. I don't need one. I have my dad. Boys are too much. My dad just gives me his fries.
Well, that's a win.
And he lets me drive the cart.
What's your secret to winning at life?
I don't argue with people who don't believe me. I just tell them, you're right.
That's unbelievable.
You're right.
So what's your routine before you go to sleep?
Negotiation.
Negotiation? With who?
Mommy,
And what exactly are you negotiating for?
5 more minutes.